Hey, how you doing? You okay? I'm Mike from FBL Broadcasting. Now, we did set a little challenge to Aylesbury Mayor Mike Smith, which was to create our own little face mask. We don't want to cause problems for the NHS or any frontliners from wherever they are in the world, for instance. So creating our own face mask from a simple way that the US General Surgeon, or Surgeon General, sorry, sets out, which you should see a video about now, which will be how he does it, which is obviously the better way. He's in the military and knows how to do it all properly, but I've followed his guidance. So let's have a look what we need. I'm going to use a face towel. You can use a scarf, maybe a t-shirt, any sort of material, providing it's obviously thick enough, I suppose. Doesn't say how thick it has to be, but any sort of protection is better than no protection. So he does say elastic bands. We're going to use hair bands because I couldn't pop out and get any elastic bands because I forgot to put it on the shopping list. And I can't really pop out to the shops to get elastic bands because we really shouldn't be leaving our wonderful homes unless really necessary. So to save obviously getting pulled over by the police and getting told off for non-essential shopping, I've decided to just go with hairbands, which is a good idea because my daughter came up with the idea. There we go. So we're going to use her hairbands. So I'm just going to put these to the side, like so. Now, what we do is, get the kids to do this. Quite a good one. They will definitely keep them entertained, also we can make it to the right size for them as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go, we're going to halve it. We're going to halve it again. No, obviously I didn't do that exactly right. Maybe get a ruler out and measure it properly, I don't know. But we then halve again, and we halve again. Now that isn't really that hard to do. So there we go. Now what we will do is we will get the hairbands. I'll show you why we use the scissors in a minute. Now we put that over like so, and that over like so. And then what you will do is you'll fold that over so this goes on your ears, this part. So that pulls the cloth in basically. So like so. Now obviously this face mask doesn't work because it's too big. Oops. So I thought for this scenario we could put food in here, and when I'm watching a movie I can just eat. I'm not exactly the thinnest person in the world, so obviously you can tell this is definitely a great idea for me. But anyway, but seriously, going to the next point is let's open it back up, put them down there. Yes, I won't get a job on Blue Peter, that's correct. We'll fold it back over, remember, half and half, half and half. Now I say measure, quite simple, especially with children, faces a bit smaller. So I would say go from ear to ear. Here you go. So we're going to cut along there. And then what that will do is, let's get the scissors. Unlike Blue Pizza, where here's one I made earlier, we'll just do this. Again, don't know if it's going to work. We've got some fantastic ideas for designs. Remember, competition, the hashtag will appear probably about here now. Do the hashtag, just move that out of the way. Move that out of the way. Here we go, hairbands. So we will, remember we folded, we'll go half. And, oh, we need to put the hairband on, don't we? That's an idea. Put the hairband on there. Put the hairband on here. Fold it over like so, and then we put it on the face. Oh, that works quite well, I think. Yeah, we like that. That's how you make a simple face mask using a cloth. Now we can make it smaller, make it bigger, whatever you want to do. We'll come up with some more ideas. But Mayor, did you do yours? Thanks for watching. And also the cat wants to say thank you. Maybe a face mask for the cat.